Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you a fix for Acura TSX 2004 to 2008. I have a Acura 2006 and the common problem that TSX owners face is the upper center storage lid, so it just doesn't stay shut, it just opens up and the mechanism may be broken or missing. So in my case it is missing, so all you gotta do is you gotta pull the console towards you really hard. Just make sure none of the plastic clips they get broke. So you pull it hard and then you take the bulb out right there, and then you take the wire off the clip, and then you can see that this is my console, and on the side the mechanism doesn't stay shut. So I try to close it but it just bounces back, and you can see that I'm missing the mechanism on my console. So I got a new one, and I'll show you the new one has the mechanism as you can see right there, and it's gonna stay open and it's gonna close if I wanted to, so it's not gonna force open on me. So you can see I closed it and it's gonna stay closed, and if I open it it's gonna slowly open. So this is a working central console. So it's, if you have the mechanism then you can fix it. If you don't have the mechanism like I did, so I had to change my console, and they're not really expensive. You can buy them off Amazon or eBay for really cheap, and you just gotta install the LED light back into the console, and you gotta put the wire back in, and everything I got was included in the package, so I didn't have to put any clips or anything. And you gotta put the wire back there, and you gotta force the console inside, make sure it's aligned, so or else you're gonna break the clips that hold the console together, and they might break and go inside your dashboard. So make sure you press it really hard. You're gonna hear a loud click, and now if I try to close it, it's gonna stay closed because it has the mechanism. And you can see I'm gonna show you the inside light. So it lights up, it's green in color, that's how the company gives it to you. I tried to change it but it's not easy, so I would rather have this color. It's really simple. So yeah, so this thing now works. When I close it, it's gonna stay shut. And thank you guys for watching.